Hello, Mark Foley here again with a quick word about the time it takes and the costs incurred in obtaining a decree absolute. When you're getting divorced, the procedure is that you start with a petition and you end with a decree absolute. The time it takes is usually about 4 to 6 months if everybody complies with the procedure. The costs of it, well, if you're employing a solicitor, the largest part of it is going to be the time that you spend with that solicitor giving instructions, and then the time that solicitor spends drafting documents, writing letters and making telephone calls. Usually those time charges will come out to about £1,100 to £1,200. Most solicitors again will charge VAT on that at 20%, so add that into your calculations. Court fees have to be paid. There are 2 court fees. The first court fee is when you issue your petition, and at the moment that's £410. Now this is recorded in January 2014. The court fees tend to go up fairly frequently at the moment, but at the moment it's £410. When you apply for your decree absolute, you have to pay a fee of £45. That fee hasn't changed for a couple of years now, so probably unlikely to change in the near future. So all in all, once you've got to the decree absolute stage, you've probably spent in the region of £1,600 to £1,700 perhaps, and you'll spread that over about 6 months, so it gives you a rough idea of the sort of money you'll have to pay each month as the case goes on. It's possible in a divorce petition to ask for an order that the other side, that's the respondent, pay your costs. Now, the merits of doing that sometimes are questionable. If the relationship is completely broken down and there's no chance of getting any cooperation with regards to sorting out the issues about perhaps children or money, then perhaps there's nothing to be lost by asking for those costs to be paid by the other side. However, if there is some chance of cooperation, then perhaps asking for the costs of getting the decree absolute from the other side will just pour petrol on a bonfire, and it would be counterproductive to ask for those costs, but that's the decision you need to make at the outset of the case. If you need any more information, please give me a call, 078 3333 2055, or landline 01362 688946. I'll speak to you again shortly.